सक्सेसर आगे, predecessor पीछे. Successor आगे, predecessor पीछे. Now you all are thinking that what I am doing. But I will tell you, my teacher taught me this tune to learn this concept. But I usually forget to use it in right way while writing in exams. Let me know in the comment section box that how your teacher had taught to you. Today, we'll try to give you a mind-blowing trick that will definitely help you to remember successor and predecessor flawlessly. You can share this with your friends and family too, because sharing is caring. Let's start today's video. In this video, we will cover definition of successor and predecessor and their amazing tricks. Successor. On screen, we can see 4 types of fruits. If I will ask which fruit is placed after apple, then your answer will be orange. And in terms of number, what comes after 2? Answer is 3. So we can say that 3 is a successor of 2. So a successor is a number that comes immediately after a given number. Next is predecessor. Again we'll take same example. Now which fruit is placed before apple? Answer is strawberry. And in numbers, what comes before 2? Answer is 1.